Hola Vinaka, it's Thursday, 11th day of September 2014, and it's just about 1 o'clock. We're heading off to a graduation ceremony for my eldest sister, Nanalevu. It's a beautiful day, and we pray and ask God's blessing that we will enter a beautiful ceremony.
Hey guys, it's September the 11th. Today we're gonna celebrate my mum's graduation day. One of mum's biggest dreams was to become a nurse, so she's finally achieved that after probably 30 long years. So we're pretty happy. It's a pretty big achievement. It's been a long passion. It's been a big passion for mum to go into nursing, and she's pretty much a person that loves to help people. So it's pretty pumped. Let's go celebrate.
Thank you, Pipi, Nanalevu, Tailevu, and also Tima and the family for giving me the opportunity to finish my nursing. Also, this time I'd like to thank Tailevu for all the support and their prayers. I know they're not here, but they are here with us in spirit, and also praise our faith every day.
Hey guys, we're finally here at Sydney Uni. Just arrived 10 minutes ago, so all the family are just waiting in a room while the graduates go upstairs or something. And just excited to see mum graduate, finally.
Lenga non dai vosa na monea lewa Paula tuna tau male ni usale sudale kena ko vanua nongu itutu nongu lotu nongu ngone turan darokovi Tailevu no lega Lava meka alwarata ena yanga rogoni nongu ya sana Meldolata Qereqeretabua au na dese ni lewea ambole Tailevu no lega
This is a day we'll really remember because it's been a beautiful spring day. So this is the graduation of the class of 2013. This group of student enrolled nurses have worked really, really hard, as have their educators and their tutors and mentors. Both here within the classroom and simulation lab environment and also, of course, within the hospital setting. We pride ourselves on the quality of this program because as health districts, it's in our very vested interest to produce the very best workforce that we can produce.
Nangalili Tailevu keusa nanguilevavi Kemunina iwakrau veliu taki matala
Kasanita Qereqeretabua.
Seni rosimboy vinaka seni kau dinami nongu temara Bauna kelo ke berata waini buka saukasa Now sur city of roses Anangai nanumi kona luei taile koni mataka Nomu uli moro wata nomu ngele mongerawa watabata Tailevu no lega Tini manda nongu sere meu sana le sutar ekina maka Mutu sango de koto na momoni Tailevu Qereqeretabua Tailevu no lega
Kau ni meli tukuna soko e wai taumbale e vanua tu talenga kena wanga buka meu buka sara meu tau kilevuka oia ue menda tou luinde isale monito ki mai ke eteri mazala na kena nene rui rawa rawa na toki mai ke irangone ni bulani ana saru ilevu non rabosa na marama era ruru era kata-kata irangone moni kuani rarawa oia ue menda tau